Hi, my YouTubers. Today I'm going to show you how to make some Valentine sweets for Valentine's Day that's coming up real soon. I want to make something personal for my family this year because it's just something a little bit different other than buying a box of chocolates. So I'm going to show you how I made these chocolate coated strawberries and Hello Kitty chocolates. If you like more videos like these, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want to check out my other social media websites such as Instagram, you can follow me at Flying Mew, and it has previews of things that are going to come. And if you want a little more details about my life, you can check out my personal Instagram, which is Keep Blushing. It just has more photos of everything else that's going on. Alright, let's go ahead and get this tutorial started. So to make the Hello Kitty chocolates, you're going to need some candy melts. You can buy it at your local craft store or bakery, and you're going to need different shades of colors of whatever mold you want to fill out. I'm using a Hello Kitty mold, so I want different shades of pink, white, and some black for the eyes and whiskers. This mold I actually purchased in Japan. I know you can't really see it very well. I'm sure you can find someone similar online, but you can use whatever mold you want to fit the need that you have. And go ahead and put your candy melts in the microwave, or however you usually melt your candy melts, or regular chocolate if you have regular chocolate. I put mine in the microwave for about 45 seconds. And then go ahead and stir it until it's a nice soft liquid. Now you'll notice that sometimes after you microwave it, it's still kind of hard, but then if you kind of mix it a little bit longer, it kind of melts into a liquid, and that's because the bowl is hot. So just make sure that you spend a little bit of time doing that. Now to fill in my mold, I'm using a toothpick to fill in all the details. This is where you can make your chocolates look really nice, so make sure you spend extra time and pay attention to the details, and don't let anything be very sloppy. Every once in a while, flip the mold over just to make sure you filled in all the gaps and there aren't any extra bubbles there. Move in different sections. So once I finished putting in the bow, I went to the bottom part of my Hello Kitty and filled in the feet and hands. Let them dry and cool down before you start packing chocolates on the back of it, because sometimes if they're both still hot, they can mix and change the color of your mold. Once you're done filling in all the sections and you just want to fill in your base chocolate, mine in this case is just some white chocolate because my Hello Kitty is white, fill it all the way in, and you're going to tap your mold gently on the counter, and this will let all the bubbles surface up so there aren't any gaps inside your actual chocolate. I put mine in the freezer for about 3 minutes so that it's easier to tap out of the mold. And you'll notice that my Hello Kitties doesn't have eyes and whiskers, and because the way the mold is created, there's actually a divot for me to put the eyes and whiskers. So that's why I didn't put it originally in the mold before I filled it in. So this is what my Hello Kitty looks like when I'm completely done and let it cool down for about a minute. I made 4 of them here, and I'm going to move on to the heart chocolates. So I got this heart mold from, I think, Hobby Lobby or Michael's. I'm going to do the same thing, fill it in with some chocolate. I'm using pink chocolate here, and I'm just going to be very generous here because I don't have any details in my heart chocolate. Fill it in, tap it against my counter to let all the bubbles inside surface up, and I do this for about 5 minutes. Put it in my freezer for about 3 minutes or so and let them fall out onto a paper towel. So here are my chocolates, very easy. For the strawberries, they're also very easy. With whatever leftover chocolate I have, I took some clean strawberries, washed them, dried them, and dipped them into the chocolate. A really good technique is to roll them gently so that the chocolate layer comes out very even. Once you're happy with how the strawberry looks, just place it on the plate, let them cool for a few minutes before you start decorating them. Now if you're going to put sprinkles, you want to get it while it is still moist and it hasn't hardened yet. For me, I wanted my strawberries to look very simple. I just took some white chocolate and drizzled some, I guess, designs on the very top with the toothpick. You'll notice that my white chocolate is not very viscous, so it kind of comes out in clumps. So I spent a lot of time trying to draw a straight line. You can probably spend a little time adding something in and thinning out your chocolate so it's easier to do. I was a little bit lazy with this one because I wanted it to be very simple, but I went through all my strawberry chocolates and kind of drizzled it with some white chocolate, as you can see here. I placed my strawberries and chocolates on a beautiful cute heart plate. I got this from Target and left it on the counter for my husband to find. I thought it was really cute and very simple. So if you like videos like these, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, do check out my other social media accounts. It has more frequent updates. You can check out my crafting account, which is Flying Mew. It has photos of different crafts that I'm creating or different things that are really cute that I think you guys would enjoy. And if you want more frequent updates, you can check out my personal Instagram, which has photos of my everyday life. That Instagram account is called Keep Blushing. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye!